SEMrush Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing the SEMrush Affiliate Program, and I'll be sharing my experience using it. If you're interested in joining or want more details, check the links in the description below. SEMrush is one of the most popular and comprehensive digital marketing tools available, offering solutions for SEO, PPC, keyword research, competitor analysis, and much more. Their affiliate program allows marketers, bloggers, and influencers to promote SEMrush to their audiences and earn commissions. The Shihad Sasri SEMrush affiliate program is highly regarded for its attractive commissions and its long-lasting potential. As an affiliate, you can earn up to $200 per sale, depending on the type of subscription your referral chooses. Additionally, SEMrush offers recurring commissions, meaning if your referral continues their subscription, you'll continue to earn commission on those payments. This creates an opportunity for passive income over time. One of the program's key strengths is the high-quality marketing resources SEMrush provides. Affiliates get access to banners, links, email templates, and a personal dashboard to track conversions and optimize performance. With a 30-day cookie window, you have a decent time frame to earn commissions after someone clicks your referral link. SEMrush also offers affiliate managers to help guide you and provide tips for boosting your affiliate sales. The only challenge you might face is that SEMrush is generally more geared toward professionals, including SEO experts, digital marketers, and business owners looking to improve their online presence. Its pricing can be a bit steep for beginners, so you'll need to target a more experienced audience. Overall, the Sasri SEMrush affiliate program is an excellent opportunity for those in the digital marketing space to earn high commissions with a well-established brand. The generous commissions, recurring revenue, and access to top-notch affiliate resources make it a solid choice for anyone looking to promote digital marketing tools. If you're ready to get started, the links are in the description. Check them out and start earning today.